The manufacturing process of children's shoes in China's factories is a comprehensive and intricate procedure that involves several well-coordinated stages to ensure efficiency, quality, and cost-effectiveness. As a global manufacturing hub, China leverages its skilled workforce, advanced technology, and extensive experience to produce a wide range of children's footwear designs. The process begins with shoe designers conceptualizing innovative and appealing designs for children's shoes. These designs are then transformed into tangible prototypes, allowing manufacturers to evaluate the aesthetics, functionality, and fit of the shoes before mass producing commences. The prototypes serve as the blueprint for the subsequent steps in the manufacturing process. Once the shoe designs are finalized, the sourcing of materials becomes a critical aspect. Factories collaborate with trusted suppliers to procure top-quality materials, including leather, synthetic fabrics, rubber soles, and various embellishments. The careful selection of materials plays a significant role in determining the overall durability, comfort, and attractiveness of the finished shoes. After acquiring the necessary materials, they undergo precision cutting using advanced machinery. Automated cutting machines are employed to ensure accuracy and reduce material wastage, optimizing production efficiency. The cut pieces are meticulously organized and prepared for the assembly phase. In the shoe assembly stage, skilled workers, often aided by specialized equipment, undertake the delicate task of stitching, gluing, and bonding the cut materials together to form the shoe uppers, midsoles, and outsoles. This phase demands precision and attention to detail to achieve consistent quality across all shoes. Following assembly, the shoes move on to the lasting and molding process. The shoe uppers are carefully placed over shoe lasts, which are foot-shaped molds that dictate the final shape and size of the shoes. Lasting ensures that the uppers are securely attached to the lasts before the shoes are molded into their desired shape. With the uppers properly lasted, the next step involves attaching the outsoles. This is achieved using specialized adhesives and machinery to firmly bond the outsoles to the shoes, ensuring a strong and durable attachment. Throughout the manufacturing process, strict quality control measures are diligently enforced. Quality control personnel inspect the shoes at various stages, meticulously examining factors such as stitching, adhesion, size accuracy, and overall appearance. Any shoes that fail to meet the rigorous quality standards are promptly removed from the production line to maintain the highest level of craftsmanship. After passing the quality control inspections, the shoes undergo a finishing process that includes cleaning, polishing, and adding any final embellishments or branding elements. This final touch enhances the overall appearance and appeal of the shoes. Once the shoes are deemed ready for the market, they're carefully packaged to protect them during transit. The packaged shoes are then shipped to various destinations, both domestic and international, to meet the demand of consumers worldwide. In conclusion, the mass production manufacturing process of children's shoes in China's factories is a well-organized and multifaceted endeavor. By leveraging skilled labor, advanced technology, and strict quality control measures, Chinese factories have established themselves as leading producers of high-quality, comfortable, and affordable footwear for children across the globe.